Today, our book of the week is Happiness is a Serious Problem by Dennis Prager, a human nature repair manual. You know, there's the idea that we all want happiness. We want to be happy. But the things that we tend to chase after to get that happiness are actually things that don't make us happy. They may be things that feel good for a moment, that sort of thing. You have stuff like, that we're just trying to find just hedonistic pleasure or success in our work, or material gain, or just having fun kind of stuff. Those can be good, but they don't necessarily always lead towards happiness. And he does a really good job in this book of breaking down human nature, the things that drive us, the things that actually kind of help us feel content and satisfied, which is more of what real happiness is. And so, really good book where it really breaks down so many things that we misunderstand about what happiness is, how we pursue happiness in the wrong ways, and things we can do to get happiness, because we tend to think of happiness as a feeling. It's something that happens to us, where in reality, happiness is something that we can cultivate, that we actually can go after. It is a goal that we can work towards. It's not something we just passively hope that it comes our way. And so, really good book to kind of unpack all of that, called Happiness is a Serious Problem by Dennis Prager.
That little church on Liberty Hill, come praise the Lord, let your cup be filled. Raise your voices and we'll sing, let God's freedom ring from that little church on Liberty Hill.